Welcome to 1833 Justice Circle in Gulf Breeze, Florida. This cute 633 square foot bungalow is a 1-bedroom and it resides on a really nice sized lot here. We are located about 9 miles to Navarre Beach and in Santa Rosa County School District. So this house would be awesome if you had an RV here with no HOA, if you wanted to store your boat and all your toys. You could have a little home base if you traveled around. That way you would have your full kitchen and laundry here. It would also make for a great Airbnb, or you could build your dream house here right on this lot in Gulf Breeze. So nice front sitting porch here. There are gutters on the exterior as well. Coming in, this is technically the laundry room. We have some washer and dryer hookups here just in the back side of the room. Really a nice size. You can also use this as a front sitting room as well. Lots of natural light. So the first room we're walking into is technically the bedroom. You could get a twin size bed in here. It does have a closet space over here just on the right hand side, as you can see. Or you could also set it up kind of as a studio into this main living space here. It's very spacious, so you could definitely do a bed and have a little living space as well here. So the main room here is a nice size. There is an additional storage closet behind the bathroom door here. And we do have a full bathroom with a shower tub combo with an updated vanity. And into our kitchen over here. Cute little kitchen. The fridge would go right back here on the back wall. And then we have this awesome bonus room. This could also be additional bedroom space or office or whatever you would need this second space for. So cute little bungalow. Again, this would be a great home base if you had an RV and wanted to travel but sort of have that home base space. Do all your laundry and have a full kitchen and a little bit more room to spread out. And again, there's no HOA here, so you can feel free to store all your toys right here on property. So let us know if you have any questions about this one. This is 1833 Justice Circle in Gulf Breeze, Florida.